Hi there! Welcome to our very first One Piece 05 TCG Booster Box unboxing. This is my first time unboxing One Piece, as I recently just started watching the anime and I really got hooked. Please do let me know if I missed any good cards. Well, my first Dan Kaida card. Not bad for first pack magic. Let's speed things up. Can we get the famous Luffy Gear 5 or Oda signed Luffy? What makes One Piece TCG easy is the card placement. The best card is always at the end. So what's your best pull from OP05? Share on the comments section below. Have you spotted any card with good value? Do pray tell please. I think based from our polls, we're doing good, right? Oh, does that have value? It would be extremely lucky if we pull Luffy Gear 5 or Luffy signed by Oda. Like and follow for more on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube at Dark Seegaming.